Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make traditional fudge using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of granulated sugar, 1 stick of butter, and 5 ounces of evaporated milk. Also, have 7 ounces of marshmallow cream ready. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your granulated sugar, butter, evaporated milk, and salt. Place this mixture over medium heat and bring it to a full, rolling boil. Once it's boiling, continue to cook for exactly 5 minutes. Remember to stir constantly during this time to prevent the mixture from sticking to the bottom of the pan and burning. This step is crucial for achieving the right consistency. After 5 minutes of boiling, remove the pan from the heat immediately. Quickly stir in the marshmallow cream and the vanilla extract. Beat the mixture vigorously for about 1 minute until it's completely smooth and all ingredients are thoroughly combined. This rapid stirring helps create that creamy fudge texture. Finally, pour your delicious fudge into a buttered 8 by 8-inch pan and allow it to cool completely before cutting. Once your fudge has cooled completely, which usually takes at least 2 hours, it will be firm enough to cut. Use a sharp knife to slice it into 1-inch squares, creating perfect bite-sized pieces for sharing or enjoying yourself. This easy method yields incredibly smooth and delicious traditional fudge every time. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.